If you already have good credit, so that job that you're about to apply for, the home that you're thinking about getting in the near future is not as important to you, keep scrolling. If not, listen up. So about a year and a half ago, me and my wife, we were struggling with our credit. I had paid hundreds of dollars to try to fix my own credit without much success. They promised here, there, and everywhere that they would do everything they can in order to get me from where I was to where I needed to be to get the things that I really, really wanted that took the advantages of good credit. So I was disappointed. And I got to a point where, as a married, about to be father, I couldn't get into an apartment. But what I knew was I had to make a change. So what I decided to do after so much soul searching and prayer, I really dug into how I could fix my credit without having to pay hundreds of dollars, without having to worry with credit agencies or lawyers or anything like that, and getting a clear path from where I was to where I am today, where I have some of the biggest credit card companies in the country searching after me, sending emails every single week. In this credit repair course that I have, the Credit Repair Secrets, I outline a few myths that surround credit repair and how to overcome those myths so you can actually rebuild your credit, but not just rebuild your credit, but maintain your credit, because life happens. Less money comes in, more money comes in. You have things happen, and you need to know how to maintain your credit. So if that's something that interests you, click on the link in my profile or comment yes, and I will definitely show you how to get the course.